If you have a low output dynamic microphone like the Shure SM7B or a ribbon microphone and you feel like you can never get enough volume out of it, then you need a signal booster like the SE Electronics DM1 Dynamite booster. The Dynamite boosts your microphone's output signal by 28 decibels, giving you a cleaner output signal to work with on your audio recorder, soundboard, DAW, or your camera. SE Electronics sent me this Dynamite boost for free to make this review video, but the thoughts and content of this video are my own. The Dynamite comes in cool packaging resembling a stick of dynamite, and it was a fun unboxing experience. You can either plug the Dynamite directly in your microphone after your XLR cable or between two XLR cables. For my testing, all three sounded the same. To use the Dynamite, you have to have 48 volts of phantom power, so make sure whatever recorder you have can provide it. Additionally, your microphone needs to be passive or it will not work. This whole video, you've been listening to my Shure SM7B set to flat, plugged into the Dynamite, which is routed into my Zoom H5 recorder. Now I've removed the Dynamite, and this is the Shure SM7B plugged into my Zoom H5 with the volume in the same position. This is a test of the Shure SM7B without the Dynamite plugged straight into my Zoom H5 with the volume set to 7. Here I've inserted the Dynamite back into the signal chain. This is a test of the Shure SM7B with the Dynamite plugged into my Zoom H5 and the gain on the Zoom H5 set to 4.5. I really like that the Dynamite retains the tone and sound of a microphone without coloring it. SE designed the Dynamite to be a clean signal booster, not as a device to color the tone of a microphone. It only gives you a stronger signal to work with. For my testing with various XLR cable lengths, I had no issues at all. If you compare the Dynamite to other microphone boosters or signal lifters, this is significantly smaller and cheaper, coming in at only $100. A lot of the other signal boosters cost $150 or more and are much larger. If you're fine with a fixed 28 decibels of gain, then the Dynamite would be a great booster for your Shure SM7B or other microphone. If you need more control over the amount of gain, you might look into the DM2 TNT model. This allows you to switch between 15 and 30 decibels of gain, and it allows you to change the input impedance. If you have a Shure SM7B or similar microphone and you need more output, the SE Electronics Dynamite DM1 will get the job done in a great, sleek, affordable package. The Dynamite does exactly what it's supposed to do. It adds volume to your sound without affecting your overall tone. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in a microphone that has a built-in boost, check out my review video on the SE Electronics Dynacaster microphone.